Yo, what up? I'm too blessed to be stressed. It's Kyan, Titimba. Welcome to another episode of Comfort Zone. We are here in streets of Worcester, man. As you see, guys, the Hashkarampanga noise on the Specialty level. There's too many of them, man. Yeah, man. It's pushing people together, man. Welcome to Network of Insight Torrance Media, 6875. Yeah, man. Let's see how much it is patellin on up. Peliches ama 14 peliches pats maseni machiteni yabo tokalani man XX ama out ni kran out isha amo man uzet na pambeka alieni dan
Srelexil, Spolila Srelexil.
Apa maske rein.
Bruder.
Yima akona wana manisi. Yala trend like TikTok leso. Yala trend. Yeah, na excess machita. How's the vibe hapa kanshan?
Vibe is calm. It's hot. Kulit. Nake kusekugcwele imami. Enthina sinutshwala.
Yala trend le ya.
Yavaya nalawita.
Nibonayo mna apha exe. Ndibona engathi exe. Kwamntu nje kwacherile lapha ikujongile exe. Kumnandi.
Samthini ngabantwana.
Like exe. There are so many beaches like exe.
Ithi beaches la ithi beaches xabene namameti tani.
No. Angixabenanga but like indlela nje esithe ngayo like exe it's a yeah. You catch me. It's a cooler way.
Fly futa khona sinoyenza.
Sejonga ama chance mina lisuka kwelinyekazi yabo.
Sure Buddha.
So nini ngathi nine sibango is too much man yabo.
Okay.
So namhlanje nizolala ndedwa kodwa nikhona. Nimbambele. Jonga i-type zami ngama-yellow bone.
Yeah.
Wow. Bela hashka wine.
Okay, I got you.
Short or tall?
Medium.
Sure.
Okay.
Medium. Short chance makali nishiye man. Sharp basocha man. Enjoy vibes ne. Sure man. Excess singaya ngaphi next. Yeah man, as you see vibe man. Ininzi man apha kweli side hele yabo. Into elimshuli exe kulate masocha ngexesha nifunana. Peliches, you had a chance about what they were saying, but I can't even touch and up a Golcala. Hi, right.
Hey guys. Hi, all. How are you guys? I'm finding you guys.
I'm good.
Yeah, man. I can't.
Get
Chonga. Everything is lit, guys. Like I choose this one. Ebola, carnival. It better than last time.
I was so prepared.
Like he's only prepared now. Like he's only prepared, guys. Like
yeah, super man.
I'm gonna be called, guys.
Someone types up.
Yours content something needs.
I think in a question you have for it. Okay, in order for umchita yabo, like approach her. And don't umchita meleke like irons in order ba makafumana attention yakho.
Like abenguye ne angazi fake like afuna bangomnye umuntu abenguye like genuinely like abenguye like yonke into like yo like yebo.
I think I'm collecting tips
Yeah.
show me the women tintana kai khona nginobusa.
Yeah, guys, cela nijonga for inkanyamba 16 June sipha sithanda incamile guys. Forever you, love you all. Wazathathu kissing.
Yeah, man, you had late ba lichabulile sibusibonela siphosanyisa ngabantu. So now man, yeah, thank you guys. I'll be back again. Tango.
Ispishwana, hey. Ingosi.
Okay, Choma, this is Tamara, this is inside Torrance Media, was it Torrance Keloput? Yeah, but look is a banana Choma.
They call me Sammy. I go by the name of Sammy.
Sammy, ne? Okay. Choma, just few questions from the Buza zone, ne?
It's fine.
Ne?
Yes.
Awuxabelanga mas.
No problem, Chomi, at all. No problem at all. You can ask me anything.
Choma ngicela ubuza ngibani igama lakho, ukhule lapha kwenzeka no?
I'm Semi. I grew up here in Zwelethemba. Ndihlala apha.
Uhlala apha ke choma mi.
Yes.
Indlela yonwabe ngayo ngathi ugochiwe. Kuthini isitoko sakho?
I'm happy as fuck with my own money. I'm an independent bitch. I'm spoiling myself.
Sibona nje amanqabile amankazana angakhutshwa eWorcester Chomi. Kuqala amankazana akhutshwa eWorcester Chomi. Wena uzozikhupha ungakhutshwa?
Chomi, Nina, you think ba anqabile amangazana asikhuphayo, but yeah we do. Siyazikhupha thina. No Chomi, isolo date ewe ndiyayenza singamangazana asikhuphayo eWorcester, but kukho aba basixelegiswayo, otherwise it's not our thing.
Kwani nixhapheke ko-McDonald?
Chomi, sixhapheke ko-McDonald's ngemali yethu. Imali yethu le isenza sixhapheke ko-McDonald's Chomi.
Ithini yona owase-Worcester?
Ama-owase-Worcester are-right wona ne. Cha they meet abantu abarongo. Yebo.
For example,
akho abantu akho zigay apha ezilike ba ama-owa lapha are gay. No. Akhona ama-ow ewe ne. But akhona ama-straight ewe. Ama-owa lapha man. It's like everywhere Chomi. You will find i-gay naphi na. Then apha akhona ama-ow are-right.
so nalapha kwama owase-Worcester agay. Yinona bama nifile njani enhlizweni zenu?
Chomi, ayisikhathazi ne. Ewe bakhona bagay ne. But not bonke excluding eyami owayikho gay eyami. Phofa ihlala phezwe lethemba.
Hlalaphi?
Choma won't say but oyama ihlala apha and ayikho gay.
Cela ubuza kho.
Ngabuza.
Don't take it personal.
I won't take it personal.
Uphi wena?
Mna ndilapha ki-carnival yena ulele.
Ushonga noba ule?
Ewe ndishoba ulele Chomi.
Leli naba?
I don't know because I don't care.
Kurongo. Hey.
Chomi, ku-right ku-wrongo. Anyway, ku-right ku-wrongo noba kutheni ku-right.
Chomi, ndiyabulela ixesha lakho ba.
Thank you.
Kuthe ngibani kana igama lakho?
Guys, you can call me Semi.
Enkosi Semi, ngexesha lakho siphelona. Sivile ke okaSemi ilele. Angqondo.
Inkosi umama ukhulise inkosi nginegazi lobukhosi ngabuthatha kuhlangothi ngalomculo ndisinqoli ngibagqotha njengeflow ngazoqina inxeqo.
Sure. What up? I'm too blessed to be stressed. Yeah, man. I'm back again. Now, I'm here with
Asake Khasi, formerly known in the streets as Sir Khasi, the host with the most, the hype man, your MC, Mtuwe Mike.
Sure. Ndivela kama sithi MC. So MC qonini by MC.
MC bra, you know, yaqale high school, you know ngothenje uthanda uthetha. You understand?
So thetha kakhulu.
Yeah.
Osho xa kugada abangqulwayo soloko ubhalwa wena pha.
Soloko ndikhona ubonisa
niba umzonda lamnana. Yeah, neqonda. Umzonda lamnana neqome yona mna nombhalela ntoni la. So yeah, makayisho man like waqala kanjani. Yeah, uthanda uthetha ndavuma ne. But ke ngoku kuze like uqomboke man lento yami ndithathe ndinyusela ndibeke like ndifacane ne-audience kuse mina ndaboyika abantu mna unoboyika kodwa man.
Singabantu saboyika abantu but ke uba uyayithanda uyenzayo same as uDJ performing MCing into one ukungena ku-MCing officially like I said yaqala high school man yabo xa kuyi-show Valentine's dondo manje ucelwa
abakuthatha isiba like
no bathatha isiba akekho omnye umuntu onothenjwa ngaphandle kwami ndenzayo because ndiyayazi ndiyayithanda
bukeleza
ngikeleza isamasaid high yabo forever appreciate that school for kwayeka sibezama ngonthema ngenza izithile yabo yabo
sasikele sikuthatha sakhupha
ya sandikhupha forever grateful oko
so we MC uyayithanda nje
yeah inenhlizweni
okay ungathini like ikhona umnganama bekuthiwa ngitamara yabo beke umandiswa ngitamara beko wabizela kuwezobu MC so yabo like beqala yena benqala umbone MC so like ungamkhuthaza kanjani abe kanje abe MC
i-MCs zininzi you know into ba wena wenza njani yabo of course names inspirations zethu yabo i-honorable mention njengo Uncle MC you understand olihleza bayi yena makenze ngohlobo yena ayenza ngalo if yena is a performer aye stage ayo musician abantu enze njalo if is a person behind the mic, you're behind the deck, enze njalo le nto ekuye because yena I believe uba ingajayivisa abantu aconnecte nabo makayenze ikuwe le way yonke.
Wena umcheat kuse amcheata ngoku udulibano ba ekselo umuntu MC kanye perform uqombe kuse umcheata audience usibambe laphi audience asikuhla manje.
Uzungalibali thina ngama 2K new generation into sizenza zizofana njengaqala
ama 1K
ama 1K anifungela beef yama 2K 1K
but ikona beef
beef engapheliyo you know beef engapheliyo senza izinto ngohlukileyo njengangoku nithi ngiphelile because I was dancing performing emceeing for abantu yabo in the olden days about 2016 xesha lo biza wethu ngeni semba kwi mic ndichanta qha. But now new school sizindlela ngohlukileyo.
Nakubama khoma. I think mele sishaye sit down podcast man. Ngaba available nini?
Anytime.
Pitches njengoba uMC like awufili la way ibone omexe jongo izipitches nje yabona abantwana ngamashkarine bahle kanjani. Like ufila kanjani?
Oh, ubasaya ngamacherry zawuphela bra. Ubasaya ngamacherry nasaphela man.
Incaki yonke into yenzayo mele khalisa ipitches.
Yonke into nina nizawukhala xa senemali. Indombi izawukhala regardless. Xa ibindimi yabo. So anything you do it for mantombazana for support.
Uyimuzamutini ke bathi okay thithi singakhala xa unemali. So ngeke ibalekile ipitches imali.
Both. Not just getting many mali, hey.
Kwala imali. Danke khumani ndabulela man. Yabo word of the day now.
Word of the day, there's a new kid on the block.
Yeah.
Called Sir Khasi.
Yeah.
Book him.
Yeah.
Expose him.
I see IG
Asake Khasi.
Yeah.
_ Asake Khasi, the name Khasi. On Facebook, sure. Asake Khasi, on TikTok, Asake Khasi. All over, man.
Yeah, so all the best, man. So wish back Pukisha, man, man. Because if you says a pass, as a text, all the best,
man. Focused on the floppy, and the shaking and the spawny. The better umeka ikochi, I can go easily hoti. The heliest to the mahoti, and the trolling on the dirty. Inkosi, cranium filled with vibranium, I feel a flex in the stadiums. Mbonan panda every day, I feel like I'm myself a massive kind of manium. I'm sure on a trip, chong, a trip, and Raza, Ukotini, Samfadala, babies, just the Chaza, it's so lonely at the top, that's why they wanna see me flop, I'm always cooking in the pot, that's why the block is very hot.
I would like to ask you a few questions. Yeah, well, I want to ask you too many questions. It's just, I want to ask you, what's your job here? What are you doing here? And all of that. For sure, even the audience would like to hear your response.
Well, I'm owner of the Fun Fair Rides, and together with the organizer, we joined for a carnival for the community. Okay. I think which went quite well. We had a lot of support of the community.
Okay, I hear you. Since I was young, I've been asking myself how this thing came about. Because there's too many costs. E.g., buying the equipment of the big wheel, buying the equipment of the imaging, buying the equipment of everything, even the transportation cost. Yeah. How this thing came about? Do you got any funds, any startup capital, investor and stuff?
It started out with a father and two sons who started the business, and as they grew older, a lot of our outside people got involved and started buying rides from him. He started importing more, so he kept the new, we got the old. So that's how we started and going about it.
I heard you stating that they were importing more. They were importing more of what, from where?
No, I'm not importing. It's a pricey business. They import, It comes from either China, America. It depends on where's the ride that they're interested in.
So it's an international investor.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mara. I see that you are closing, so I don't want to waste your time. No. Thank you so much, Mara, for this opportunity. Thank you, Mara. Sure, guys. This was Mara. Word of the day. Do you have word of the day for people who like to open their business like Carnival? So
This is difficult. I wouldn't suggest it because it's very hard work.
But it's making profit in the long run.
It makes profit, but if the winter comes, there's no work for us. So 3 months we don't have work. So it's debatable a lot.
Oh, okay, thank you, Mara. Thank you.
It's so lonely at the top. That's why they wanna see me flat. I'm always cooking at the pot. Why the black is
Okay, show makhomani ngiyapha ke nota case nota danger fumana. So ke makhomani ba siphathele no ngicela ukuba makhotman ke bang bantu danger bantu case napa.
Manje ngikhizi nisigebengu from Ezolethemba.
Yeah, Teja Shamthetho bafethu, all the way from Ezolethemba mashita. Yeah, silapha ke carnival sukile.
Okay, makhomani thisizwe utamara ne. Xa bembizi ke sibathi ngumandisi ne. Yafumana ngowase Tizorens ke makhomani inside transmitter ne. Ke makhomani siyabona kuyakhala ngane ku social media. Kuze nazi yokoma Eastern emamethoda anazi ama Eastern Cape, ama Aztec, ama Bloemfontein, ama Beaufort West. Nenze njani makhotman ukuze nifikele kule 11 bacho ngibanazi all over.
No bra. Hard work bra. Anzukuphosa ta. Yeah, yonke into iqala kancane. Awuveli nje waziwe. Yeah. Muthi uqale ubetheke. Yeah, because the obstacles sidibana nazo, challenges sidibana nazo. Awuveli nje. Yeah, so la sikho through londo nathi yabo. Siqale small from 2016 until now. Then progress yama njalo ta ba consistent.
Ngabe ta case nyaza challenges nithetha ngazo khoma.
Yonke into edibene nami naye. Like plata.
So ta case naba ziziphe challenges ethetha ngazo ta danger.
Challenges khoma nami ukuxekwa, ungasupportwa, you push through whatever if you believe and you're passionate. Uya kuzoba.
Khoma le ndaqala naziphi mina. Ya ndaqala naziphi mina.
Sezopopa.
Boo. Okay, makhomane. Okay, so mabudira ne. Kuya yonke le wini. Oh, naqhunyelwa ngamame so le lapha emamethini wethu.
Man, no, yala ngoma. Nana. Upi.
Hlene chomzam. Inja zam. Ekurongo. Oh, ishazi dlala abantu. Uyazi noni. Oh yo. Boo. Okay, ya makhomane.
Siza papa njayam.
Yo. Kuthini makhomane nako? Kuthini abona ikhoya nina chapha ke crash zethu? Kwenzeka nontana. Abona ikhoya chapha ke crash zethu.
Phusa umculo omnani bra.
Inside the door.
Bathanda umculo omnani abantu.
Yeah?
No. Bathanda umculo wethu omnandi.
Umculo ka. Umculo. Umthengela istoki, umthengela nje
so makhomane.
Umthengela nje i-album yami uzobona.
But noni sizodibana apho sidibana khona. Sincokole about niqalephi le way from port niqalephi le way. Ndiyona nenziba maninyamezele nibambelele sayiva ekameni ngoxesha. But makhomane can advise i-upcoming artists. Nini upcoming artists give up yafumana? Because there's a celeb yakuthiwa nguRicky. Yabo Ricky wayecaphuka xa gxekwa upcoming artist. And uRicky wayesenza sure basho upcoming artist mazingayekeleli. Le way ngayiqala ngisemncane ngayifuna ngisemncane yafumana so makhomani can advise upcoming artists bazenze njani ukuze ndifike le level nikuyo enitya abantu bethu makhomani in fact
imela la wena into you-one bro, believe in yourself qala yabo. Believe in yourself yabo. Uyazi ba kuyo yonke into yenzayo uzoxekwa. They will never see it when ngohlobo uyibona ngalo mama yaba, because it will never make sense until it makes sense mama. So if ever wena we believe qala ngakuwe wena awuyiboni le nto yenzayo, then what's the use baba usinike le nto kodwa wena nawe awuboni awuna vision yayo. Start kuwe qala, and then if ever you believe in yourself and you know that wena this is what I want to do qala.
Thank you buddy. Danger shayo umthetho.
Abuko umuntu.
Wena takhezini wena bhuti wami ke
eyami lenyuza into ba supusha into uyaziyo ba ukonzwembu wekho passionate siba follower yabo yenza lento ikuwe enhlizweni yabo ungayenzi ngenxa bayisingabanye qa
siqhuba ikirive ke lamaviri
For example,
sucula uyazi ba suppose uyajita yaba xa uhleli pha kuyathanda jive but ufuna ucula that's useless
suyenza ungayazi.
suyenza
Landela lento uThixo phe yona.
no yeah besinominathiwe kule nto uza kwi-Mamas Awards
Yeah.
bros. Yeah. Oh, Joburg, brother. Yeah, we were pushing. Yeah.
Nana,
Yeah, that's crossing us, bro.
Ubi.
By millionaire soon.
asibuze nge-singles zethu zana whatever project you doing
Ndinibuza lo.
yeah
Ufuna uqala.
But I'm back again. Yeah, man, it's again. So namhlanje ndilapha nabani.
Bathanda igama
Yeah.
stage name nguTonic,
Yeah.
Mr Phakade, Mr Hitmaker ogogo asimbonge basha
Wena liphakathi. Nebuye. Khobani. Wena nimena bani?
The what new DJ Jin lona ne.
Yeah.
So abantu ngihlala pha ekhasi yabo lo. So
Because
kwala bezolo tempo eVostil.
yeah.
So I sikhobe wathi ndimi no case not danger nge 27 ka March. Sikhobe wathi nge-EP ne 6 tracks ne. Igazi nyembezi nombilo. La EP sawathi ngiyapopa nangoku yabo siyayiva ba siyifeel into senzayo. Siyayithanda futhi and so siyeke.
Khomani bithe suyenza ungayazi.
Suyenza ungayazi yabo.
Wena uliphaka angikwazi ucula ke mina.
Robani kucheka lo voice
Yeah, ngobethela track khomani.
sure Robani
Yazi mina anmazi. Yeah. Se guys, anmazi umuntu owenze la track. But ndiva ngongong neqala umbona. Khomani. Like what inspires you man ba ubethe la track leya?
actually bra like it's a feeling yabo feeling you're in love
Yeah.
at the very same time phinde like like bona uzinikezela emntwini lawe ba like ufumana like la feeling leyo thando phinde uthando umuntu because nowadays like generation yangongoku abantu
Inhlizweni ngo.
yeah like I didn't even write that way ndavele ndayicula nje and then Danger said like record the way we better yeah but so like that's how it happened actually like ndandiphuma kwimedi so ndisanda khethile ijali khethile yeah tisili yeah
So khomani ba diyabulela. Khomani wena ngephi yakho khomani?
Kule EP yabe kule.
Yeah, like a well known track.
Lekho wathi ngiuShadow Modi, Clap and Tap, Rough Night, ya ngothi ngihamba phambili kokweni Rough Night.
Yeah.
Number 1 okoko.
Uyazayiva na rough.
Hayi Rough Night okokunyiwe ebusuku bonke akuyenyiwa phaya balo. So wathi ngezinye wathi wathi Rough Night, Shadow Modi and then Clap and Tap. Tender story no wathi no peace kodwa no peace asemthanda kodwa wathi senze mistake one sifanga itext zethu but siyayithanda kodwa wathi ngisenze mistake one yabo lewe
that's a song because like ubuyenza ubune
Uyithanda ngoma yakho. Can't say about uthanda ngoma yakho.
akwazi
wathi ngisenze wathi mistake one ne asifanga itext yabo so wathi mistake siyenzileyo but la ngoma track yethu no peace yabo lewe leyo yenzekileyo and then call le track entsha izayo ke ngoku la track ndimi ukudenje no Kazini Shagela no Tonic siphethe la track ithi
You perform or you like you vocal ba?
vocalist bra cha yabona
Ala vocalist.
I would have sang yabona benocula cha voice yabo ichile ngoku yabo ndiya ikhwazeka
I understand khomani.
yabo I can't sing now
Like la wena uliphakathi ubone abantwana xa bephambana abantwana basekhayelitsha. Wena ufila njani? Ufila njani khomani?
kodwa ichile voice I can't bra sabe ndiyafosta ndiyahlaza like ndiyahlaza yabo sabe ndiyahlaza because voice ayikho and then at the very same time but like yeah yabo
So khomani to close it off man yabo like word of the day.
word of the day like be yourself, do it for yourself, like you got yourself akomnye umuntu ozakwenza happy, you make yourself, happiness is a choice, like you create your own environment whereby like you are being you, doing what you love, not wasting time is Chomi ambi chilo earlier on yabo, stop wasting time like izinto ezingabalekanga. Prioritize ixesha lakho and do what is best for you.
Khumani wena would have to take away.
You would have to take away nglawe ne. Suyenza wathi nglawe wathi ngingayifiliyo ne. Yonke wewe ngiyenzayo ufuna wathi ngiyenza leyo mali leyo ndiyenza ndiyayithanda. And sucimba wenze wathi ngiyenze we abantu wathi ngibathatha kabi ngawe suba hoya. Because lawe uyayithanda. So waiting of the day I'm there fit to mojo.
Thank you Makhumani. Thank you Nabulela Makhumani. Sharp. Thank you Tasman. So yeah man, to close this thing off and then ibonile man. Ba like ik say hey safela qala ngam. From my just like that man. Yeah man, just like the man. Yeah, to close this thing off man. Sabulela guys for watching this episode yabo. Please do like and subscribe. Click on the notification party, man. I think if imnandi man le episode yes.
Okay guys, mfuna ukuthi enkosi ngesupportini ngakho konke kwenzayo. Wasifollowisha choice kuwe ezandleni mntasekhaya. Same talent yakhe lapha kuwe ezandleni for ukuthi yabo. Okay guys, lebese lapha eZuluTM but siyabulela kwamaZuluTM ngesupport yawo. Bakwazi bambisana bakwazi usiphatha kahle kweyonke into bayenzile but ke
masibahlaza ZuluTM bahlaza. Yes sathi siyangaba qombe naba
bajisana ngathi bathi naba babaveza ama-owase uthi ama-owase usagay kuthiwa
wena wayithetha ngezwe wayixelelisa kwezinto zobugay nawo wayixelelisa kwezinto
sibuzwa ngababhuti abagay kuthiwa naba baqala abantu abagay nje.
Okay sure. Inkosi,